Are you tired of bouncing between apps just to listen to your favorite tracks? Today I'm going to show you a simple yet incredibly useful trick, how to create your own music playlist right inside Telegram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to organize and access your tunes seamlessly without ever leaving the app. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to track down the music file you want to add. This could be any audio file, most commonly an MP3, but Telegram is pretty flexible and accepts several formats. Maybe you've downloaded a song from an online source, ripped a track from a CD to your phone, or received music from a friend. Just double-check that the file on your device and ready to go. If you're not sure where it is, try looking in your Downloads folder or wherever your media files usually end up. It doesn't matter which device you're on, phone, tablet, desktop, Telegram works cross-platform. That's one of its strongest points. Once you found your music file, the next step is sending it into a chat. Now you might be thinking, do I have to bother someone just to save a song? Not at all. Telegram gives you a personal space called Saved Messages. It's like a private notebook only you can see. You can send files to any chat you want, but using Saved Messages keeps things tidy and personal. So simply select your audio file, hit the Share or Send option, and choose the Telegram app. Pick your saved messages or any chat that works for you and send the file over. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds to upload, especially for larger files. That's completely normal. When your music appears in the chat, you'll see it as a little audio file bubble. Now comes the interactive part, tapping the play button. This isn't just so you can preview the song, although it's always nice to make sure you sent the right track. More importantly, tapping play opens up Telegram's mini player interface, and this is where you get access to some handy features. Inside that mini player, you'll spot a button labeled Save To. It sometimes looks like a bookmark or a little folder, depending on your device. Tap that and you'll see the option to save the music directly to your profile. This is the magic moment. Saving here doesn't just stash the song somewhere random. It actually adds the track to your Telegram profile playlist, a collection that you can build up over time and access from anywhere in the app. Think of your profile playlist as your personal jukebox, always there ready to play. Want more songs in your playlist? Just repeat the process. Find another audio file, send it to a chat, tap play, and save it to your profile. Each new track gets added automatically, building your playlist piece by piece. You don't need to manually organize, drag things around, or worry about files getting lost. Telegram keeps it all straightforward. And if you ever want to relive an old favorite or cue up some background music, just visit your profile and hit play on your curated playlist. If you ever get stuck or you're not sure where a saved song ended up, don't worry. You can always search your profile or your saved messages. And remember, patience is key, especially if your files are large. This part is more about building a reliable library you'll enjoy using every day. That's all it takes to create your own music playlist within Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or trouble with a specific step. I always love hearing how these tips help you out, so let me know what playlist themes you end up creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.